Traders, it's May 13th, 2025. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about rules. Are you worried about rules? Throw the rules out the windows, traders. If you know how to trade and you have a skill in the market, fuck those rules. All of these prop firms, all of these businesses are changing the rules, fucking with your psyche, right? I love it. I see those videos. They're up in smoke. They don't know where to go. And what does it do to you, traders? You get fucking worried about the rules. I trade without rules, traders. You learn a skill and we trade the market. The market does not have rules. You must be able to trade with the market each and every day in an objective way. Who gives a shit about rules from prop firms? All they're doing is fucking with traders. Every day we have another boat on fire. Stop listening to those people. Stop listening about the rules. Traders, learn to trade each and every day. Run that tab up. Take those payouts. Stay focused. Learn to trade the markets. Do not care about rules. I wish all the prop firms would tighten those rules so tight that they go fucking under. Why? Because traders know how to trade and gamblers, there are gamblers all over the place, traders, on YouTube, on the internet, talking about a 15-minute strategy that'll make you millions. If a strategy only takes 15 minutes to explain how it works to make millions of dollars, traders, do you think 95% of the public would fail? Just another boat on fire. Oh shit. This is the last gambler. Look at this boat. Holy crap. There's fire everywhere. What a disaster. You see, traders, the rules don't matter. Just pay the fee. It's called return on investment. That's all it is. It's an exchange of money. Pay for a combine, an evaluation, whatever they want to fucking call it. All it is just a name. And then you trade. Unfortunately, traders, we have a lot of people that have their underwear stuck up their ass. Top Step said that they might look at the data on Top Step X. Traders, do you think that they haven't been doing that since day one? All of these prop firms have the access to all that data. Who are you trying to fool? They're getting into your psych, traders. Psychology, a fear of missing out. How many traders do you think get an automatic email after a great day of trading? Hey, we're watching you. You're doing well. We would like to call you up to the big leagues. What does that do, traders? It fucks with your head. That's what it does. That's what it's meant for, okay? Not a pat on the back, traders. It's to fuck with your head. Stay in the game. Learn to trade. Gain that skill each and every day, and you will be better off tomorrow than you were today. We're going to hit some storms. We're going to hit some turbulence. People are always going to change the rules. They want to fuck with your head. Who gives a shit about the rules? As I said before, and mark my word, the tighter the rules, the less traders. The least amount of traders, business PK disappears. That's a fact. We know where the gold is, traders. Okay? It's supply and demand, risk and reward. Are you able to take those risks? Are you able to trade your way out of losing P&L for the day? If not, you may want to find the skill. Are you scared when you blow up an account? Not because of financial reasons. Because if it is because of financial reasons, you should not be in the market in the first place. Are you able to start from zero each and every day and bag that loot? This week might not be your week. I've been on ships like this over and over and over again. What is this called, traders? It's called a skill. Being able to weather the storms, being able to fight back, being able to get on your feet each and every day after being knocked down. Who gives a shit about rules? Fear of missing out is a lack of knowledge, traders. It's a lack of knowledge in the market. Don't listen to these fucking fools out here about why people are fearful of trading. They have fear because they don't know what the fuck they're doing. That's a fact. If you knew what you're doing in the market, who gives a shit? You should be able to follow that market like glue each and every day. And if not, then level up. There's a lot more to learn. I'm a lifetime student. I always will be. That doesn't mean I'm at the bottom. And it certainly doesn't mean I'm at the top, but I could follow the market with the best of them. I guarantee that. Those leaderboards are fucking mean nothing. The leaderboards ain't shit. Every time they change rules, traders, they need another leaderboard. They ban the most successful traders. They ban the most highly skilled traders to trade. Yes, they do. They only want a chosen few on their books. Why, traders? It's common sense. If you had a skill, you would understand why. Go out and get your skill, and who cares about the rules? There are no rules in the deep blue sea. There are no rules in trading. Money in, money out. A skill is here to stay. Work on your skill. Your last loss is your first step towards success. We must all get knocked down. We must all lose. We must all be humbled each and every day, each and every week or month. Those who say they had a losing year, I question their strategy. I question their edge in the market. I don't believe that's a true edge unless they went all in on a trade or two and lost everything that they earned the entire year. That's quite possible. But to say that you're month in, or to say that you went 3 months without actually being profitable and then claiming that's just based on the market, I don't believe that. A skill will last forever. You can start at zero each and every day, traders, and gain that skill. Size down. Leverage. Let's talk about leverage. This is what happens when you have leverage, traders. This is a fact. Your boat, your trading, your account will eventually sink with high leverage. Why do you think these prop firms are giving out leverage over and over again? They want you to fail, traders. We have some prop firms even saying that you get bonuses as you trade. Why? More leverage. But when you lose, and so if they give, say you had $1 million in the account and they wanted to give you another $250,000 worth of leverage, and now you have 1.25 million to trade off of. But when you lose, traders, you never lose their leverage that they offered you, and it's in your account. What actually happened to you, traders, is they gave you more money, more contracts to lose your money a lot faster. They don't want you to win. If they wanted you to win, they would hire you as a trader, would trade their money, only their money, and they would have a profit share. What benefit is it to you, traders, to go live with a company to trade your own money? You give them a percentage of it? That's a great business plan for them. Have you lost your fucking mind, traders? You just want to go live to say you went live with a prop firm? Use some common sense. As we go through this together, traders, you have to remember, you're not alone. We're all in this together. Don't worry about these prop firms changing the rules. Don't worry about these prop firms banning traders on purpose. I've sent them emails and they've never responded. They can't respond, traders. Why? Because they know what they're doing. They ban real traders. Why do they allow people to take 20 and 30 accounts, traders, and rack it up to 2.5 million? They don't let everyone do that. Of course not. It's a game. It's a nasty game. Work on your skill. And if you want to learn how I trade on a daily basis and you can gain a skill over time, go to breathingwiththemarkets.com. I will personally teach you one-on-one a skill that you will have for your entire life. Peace, traders.